Your mind will be very calm when you are chanting very that in slow motion. How exactly it is like this?
Okay.
Shiva Shakya Yukto Yadhi Bhavati Shakta Prabhavitum Na Chedevam Devo Na Kalu Kushala Spanditumapi Atasva Maradhyam हरिहर विरिञ्चादिभिरपि प्रणन्तुं स्तोतुं वा कथमकृत पुण्य प्रभवति.